My name is Mona Lisa Chivandire. I was playing Tendai on Mhamha Shona show. This was quite an educational experience for me. I had a lot of fun. I'm one person anofarira vana in general. So I felt at home doing this whole thing. No. First time I just see puppetry on TV, yeah. My memorable moment was the part when we play songs, dancing to songs, background, even on set. It takes you back to your childhood. The song of the show is Gomoguru Zimbabwe. Oh, that song is lit. I'm hoping this show, as it is already, it's very educational. I'm hoping the kids are going to learn more educational skills. Kuti vave proud of their language. There's so many kids who are out there varikukurira ku diaspora, but they have lost their Shona culture. So having such a show, reach all over and get to help our kids kuti varambe vaine those roots eShona. Kamaguru reZimbabwe rine mukatsaka kamaguru rine nguruve kana toenda makatakata kana toenda makatakata kana tsotsoka mutserendende kana tsotsoka mutserendende mujiba.